Bruce Lee, the martial arts legend, early life and background. Bruce Lee was born Lee Jun Fan on November 27, 1940 in San Francisco, California. While his parents were touring with a Chinese opera, he was raised in Hong Kong and began learning martial arts at a young age, training under IP Man, a renowned Wing Chun master. Moved to America in education. At the age of 18, Bruce moved to the United States to pursue higher education. He attended the University of Washington, where he studied drama and philosophy while also working as a martial arts instructor. During this time, he developed his own approach to combat, emphasizing speed, efficiency, and adaptability. Martial arts and Jeet Kune Do. Bruce Lee created Jeet Kune Do (JKD), a martial arts philosophy that blended multiple fighting styles to maximize effectiveness. Unlike traditional martial arts, JKD focused on fluid movements, adaptability, and direct attacks. His innovative approach and revolutionized the martial arts world. Acting career and rise to fame. Bruce Lee's charisma and fighting skills led him to Hollywood. Some of his most famous movies include The Big Boss 1971, his first major film which made him a star in Asia. Fist of Fury 1972 showcased his powerful fighting techniques. Way of the Dragon 1972 featured an iconic fight with Chuck Norris. Enter the Dragon 1973, his biggest international success, released just before his death. Game of Death 1978, posthumous, famous for his yellow jumpsuit and unfinished fight scenes. Death and Legacy. On July 20, 1973, at the age of 32, Bruce Lee passed away suddenly in Hong Kong due to cerebral edema, brain swelling, possibly caused by an allergic reaction to pain medication. His death remains a topic of speculation. Despite his short life, Bruce Lee's impact on martial arts and film is immense. He broke racial barriers in Hollywood, inspired generations of fighters and actors, and remains a global icon of discipline, strength, and philosophy. Fun facts: he was so fast that directors had to slow down his fight scenes. Bruce Lee did one-arm push-ups using only 2 fingers. He could kick a 300-pound bag to the ceiling. Would you like to know more details about any specific part of his life? MD Udaan TV Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social workers Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil cooks, desi eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil white kadahi, Koil Jat Kadahi, and Elevex beauty soap. And marriage proposals for all caste. Mobile number 0323 4787 870. You are watching Udaan News.